Good morning, friends. Dr. Harb Seal here. Thank you for stopping by. So today, let's give a helping hand to people starting new endeavors, whether kids going off to college or people just starting their careers or people switching careers and etc. It's easy to walk into a new situation and feel like you'll never understand all this new lingo you're hearing. These people must be so smart. Maybe I don't belong here after all. So let's find our center in the middle of all the uncertainty. Number one, all these people that so-called know so much also at one time had their first day too and felt just like you do. You're not supposed to know what they know. You're brand new. How could you? Secondly, when I venture onto new things and look out to a sea of people, I always say to myself, some of these people might be smarter than me and some of them are not. So over time, I'll fit in just fine. These are just basic tools to help rid away some of the anxiety. Thank you very much. Have a great day.